What's up, what's up, everybody? It's Jason McLaren with This Show is a Disaster podcast. Today we're continuing our Hurricane Preparedness Week series, and today is talking about getting an insurance checkup. This is all about hurricane preparedness and making sure that you're ready for when that hurricane comes and that you're able to mitigate some of the disaster that's inevitably going to hit your property if you're involved in a hurricane and in a hurricane area. Uh, we're talking about insurance. I'm not an insurance agent. I don't know. I'm not an insurance expert. So make sure you get with your agent or your company and ask for an insurance checkup. Have them look over your policy, make sure it's everything you want to have. You want to make sure that you have enough coverage not only for your house, but any ancillary buildings on your property. You know, some people build their house and then they add on or add a separate building, maybe for a shop or a man cave or she shed or a carport. You want to make sure that you've added those to your policy as you've added to your property. Also, any other ancillary equipment, if you have a farm or your little toys, that sort of thing, they may not be covered under your standard policy. So make sure you have all that. Also, remember your standard policy for your homeowners usually doesn't cover insurance or usually doesn't cover flooding. So you want to make sure you have a separate policy. That policy also usually requires a 30-day waiting period. So you want to get involved now and make sure that you have that enacted before the June 1st hurricane season starts. Next, you want to make sure that all your documents are in a safe place and with you. So if you're at your house, you want to make sure that these documents are in your safe if you have one, filing cabinet, something like that, where you know where to get them. If they're in your to-go kit, that's even better. You can also put these on a cloud. You know, we have storage clouds such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, all those, you know, depending on what your flavor is on services, those are all options for you to use. It's even better if your insurance company has a portal where you go in and log and get your policy from, because they have a copy of it on their side also. So just things to make sure you have everything covered and are mitigated against any kind of disaster. So that's all I have for today. Jason McLaren signing off.